Hey there, Cham here, and today I'm gonna make my own video app suite review. And video app suite is a collection of video creation apps put into one single platform. So here are the apps included in this app suite: Intro, Outro, Cobbler Pro, Mockup, SlideMachine, StoryMonarch, and a lot of other things here. And so we will be checking out these things one by one, so this video can take some time, but I hope that you will watch from start to finish for you to check out if this collection of app is something that you need to get or not. And as always, I'll do my best to do my review as honest as possible. If I find something that is not so good about the app, I will surely mention about it. And of course, towards the end, I will tell my honest opinion about this app. So let's start with the very first one, which is the intro outro, which is basically the logo reveal creation app. And I can access this by clicking on the login, but let me just right click and open this in a new tab. And as you can see, these are the templates included within the app. These are nice looking templates, and once I hover my mouse on them, they actually play automatically, which is kind of nice. And again, of course, you can just preview each of these and find something that you may want to use. And let me actually try this one, Fire Cinematics. Let me just pause that. So once I click it, it opened this pop-up window so that I can preview it in a larger screen. And once I like it, I can just click Create Video. And then here I can select the image of my logo. Let me just click that, and here's this logo of the store that I'm building for my dropshipping business. And of course, I can just simply choose that, or if I still did not upload anything, I can just click Browse. And of course, I can simply find the logo from my computer and click Open. But I already did that, so let me just choose it from here. So let me just click this, click Choose. There we go. And then as of now, I cannot still preview how it looks like, so I still need to click Next. And here I can also choose the music that I want to use as a background, and it already has this pre-selected music for me. Although if I want to change that, I can simply choose some other music from here, but let me just use that for now. So let's now click on Next. And again, I cannot yet preview on how the video looks like, so what I need to do is click Start Rendering. And once it's finished, that's the only time that I can check out the final output. So let's do that. So it's actually rendering the video for me. So let me just pause this video and come back once the rendering is finished. Okay, so the render is finished, and here it is. Let me just click that, and I can preview it from here. So there we go, and as you can see, that's looking great, and I can already use this as my logo reveal for my business Brood Wonders, which is my dropshipping business. And so once I'm happy with this, I can now click download, or I can click share and share it to different social media places if I wanted to. Although in case I don't like that and I want to do some editing, of course I can just click close and go back here and click the edit button and go ahead and edit the video. That's just something that I hope they will fix here. I hope that before you can even render the video, you can first preview it so that you will check on how it looks like before even rendering, because well, the rendering is actually taking some time. So if in case you did not like the output, you again need to wait for some time before going back and edit the video. But anyway, for logo reveal, that's not really a big deal, because here in the templates you can easily preview how it looks like with the placeholder logo already, so you will already have an idea on how the video looks like before even editing yours. So for me, this is still good, and so for me, I can give like 4 stars for the intro logo. If only we have that preview window, I will give it 5 stars, but basically I can say that it's actually good. Alright, so let's proceed to the next one, which is the Cobbler Pro. So again, let me just right click here, open in new window. So Cobbler Pro is a video editing app for creating Facebook video covers. As you may know, you can already use videos for your Facebook pages. And again, as you can see, there are different templates from here. So you can just choose anything that you want. And again, because I'm doing some drop shipping today, let me just choose this one, which is something about e-commerce, and again create video. And again, from here I can select an image, and as you can see, they actually have this recommended size, and if you want, you can crop images at this exact sizes, although that's totally fine as well if you don't have images with these sizes, because you can simply use this tool to crop it anyway. So let me show you how you can do that. So for this scene 1, let's choose an image, and again, I already uploaded some image earlier, although if you want to upload, again, you can just click browse and browse some images from your computer, or if you want, you can also go here to Pixabay and search some free images that you can use, or to Unsplash. There's a bunch of awesome images here that you can use as well. So let's say, for example, I want to use that. Let me just click it, and I can simply click crop, so that I will crop the video based on Facebook video cover size. So let me just position it somewhere here, crop image, there we go. And of course, here I can just simply add the name of my website, there we go. And of course, here I can just add any text that I want, something like that, and then maybe just add 50% off or something. Click next, and let me proceed to the next slide. Again, I can simply choose another image, and I can choose from any of these. Let's just choose this one, the one I used earlier, and again, I can simply crop that, position it somewhere, then click crop image, and there we go. Click next, and we are now in scene number 3, and let's just do pretty much the same thing, so let me just choose that and just add any text here, but for now let me just leave that. Click next, add another image, probably this one, click choose, click next, and then finally we have this call to action slide where we can add our logo and a call to action. So for example, I want to add this one, click choose, and instead of enroll now, I can say something like shop now, something like that, and I just hope that I can also customize the color of the background. Unfortunately, for this one, I don't have any options to do that, so what I can only do here is upload images and add some text that I may want to use. I hope that for this one, they will also give more control for the users, because in case my branding is not on this color, then of course I need to change that, right? But other than that, everything is fine, and this looks great. So once everything is done, I can again click next. Again, I can choose a music, or simply choose the pre-selected one and then click next, and again simply click start rendering, and then preview how my video looks like. But again, just for the sake of time, I don't have to do that, but that's how to create Facebook video covers inside Cobbler Pro. And again, let me just give it 4 stars, because it's a good app, but it lacks some control for some elements of the video, which is the colors and this graphics right here. So yep, that's it for the Cobbler Pro. So let's now proceed to the next one, which is the live mockup. So again, let's just open that in the new window. And for the Cobbler mockup, we have a few templates here, and again, you can just simply preview each of them. So let's say, for example, that's actually cool. Here's also a great one, there we go. And let's say I actually want to use this one. So let's just again click that, and as you can see, they work almost pretty much the same thing. So all I have to do is click that, create video, and again just select a logo that I want to use. So let me just again upload my logo from here, click open, and let me just click that, click choose, click next, and again I can choose some music or just leave it as that, and again click next. And again, once I'm happy with this, I can simply click start rendering, and I can then view the output of my video. And it works almost the same way like the intro outro logo app. All you have to do is just upload your logo, and that's it, so that's how easy it is. But again, like earlier, I cannot preview the video before rendering, so that's just something that I hope they will do here as well. Alright, so the next one is SlideMachine. So let me just right click and open in a new window again. And for SlideMachine, you can use this to create awesome video slides. And again, there's a lot of amazing templates from here. So let's choose this one, for example. I can preview it from here, but let me just click create video for now. And as you can see, all the apps actually pretty much work the same way, wherein you can just change the image, change the text and all that. So for example, for this one, I can choose from Pixabay. For example, I want to use I don't know, let's say this one right here. I can click crop, and I can position the crop from here, crop image. There we go. And of course I can just change the text from here, but just to save time, let me just click next for now, because anyway I already showed you how to do that earlier. The same is true with this one. Click next, next, and then here simply add your logo and change the text and all that, and then click next, and then simply start rendering and wait for the video to be rendered. And so the next one here is the StoryMonarch. And StoryMonarch is something that you can use to create some video stories that you can post on Facebook and Instagram. And right now you can even do that on YouTube. YouTube also followed along and saw this opportunity that stories are great, so they included that in their platform as well. And so to create stories, you can just choose any of these templates. Let me just choose this one for example. Click create video, and here I can simply select an image, and let's go to Unsplash for now, and let's say I want to use this one from here, and let me click crop, and I can just position the crop image. And again, just everything just works pretty much the same thing. I can change the text right here, click next, choose that, click next, and again just start rendering. Next one is the Whiteboarder. And at first I thought Whiteboarder is used to create whiteboard animations, just like the whiteboard animation softwares that we used in the past. But when I went here, I realized that you can simply use it to create whiteboard logo reveals, just like the templates that you can see here, which is also good as well, right? So for example, I want to use this template right here, create video, and again just choose my logo from here, click choose, add a tagline, click next, oops, let me just go back to there. And for this one, I'm glad that they also added a color, so that you can I can just choose the color that's related to my branding. If my branding is related to some of these color palettes, I can choose that, or I can also go here to custom color and add the hex code of my color branding here. But let me just choose this one for example, click next again, and just simply click start rendering. Alright, so let's now proceed to the next one, which is the Video Architect. And Video Ad Architect is great for creating short video ads that you can use as video ads on Facebook and Instagram. So as you can see, they are square videos, which are slide videos, and this is kind of trendy nowadays as well. So let's say I want to use this one, click create video, and again, as I showed you earlier, this works pretty much almost the same thing with everything. Just change the image. Let's say I want to use this shoes right here in case I'm selling some shoes. Click choose, and then just add some text right there. Click next. Again, change the image, change the text, click next, just change the logo, click next, and simply start rendering. And yep, so that's Video Architect. Let's now go to the custom video effects. For custom video effects, you will be starting things from scratch, which is kind of nice, and I'm glad that they added this one. So to start, simply click start now, and then here I need to select a video, and I can upload a video from my computer. So let's say I want to use this one, click open, and there we go. And the good thing about it is that you can have more control on your video. You can choose a background, either black, white, or blur. These are the trendy types of videos nowadays, so I'm glad that they added that here. You can also choose an aspect ratio, whether square or vertical. Let's choose square for now. And you can also choose whether you want to fit the video or simply fill the video, like that. Let's choose fit for now. And you can even change the position of the video if you want. And then you can also add some overlays. So let's click here, and as you can see, there are different types of overlays that I can add. I can add some text, for example, and let me just double click that, and let's say website.com, and probably position it here. And then of course, if you want, you can change the color of the text, maybe black or something. Click apply. There we go. And if I want to add some more, I can also click close, and then let's say I want to add a shape as well, and let's add this arrow, place it somewhere here. Again, click apply, and I can change the color here, and let's say I want to make it reddish orange or something. Click apply, and then once I'm done, I can simply click done, and as you can see, it's now added here at the lower part of my video. And maybe for this one, we can change this to white instead. There we go. And as you can see, we can actually pretty much create a nice looking short video ad using custom video effects. So for this one, it's actually good. So I can again click create video and just wait for it to upload, and once it's done, I can now again render the video. So let's just leave that for now, and again go to the next one, which is the Realtor video machine. And as you can see, these next ones are actually for premium account. So if you don't have a premium account, the ones that I showed you earlier are the ones that you can use. So this is the video Realtor, and these are the templates. Let's choose this one for example, and let's create a video. And yep, it works almost the same thing. It's just that this is a niche related video creator, which is related for real estate. So you can use this to create videos for real estate brokers and agents. So another one is the motion text animator, and again this is a premium app. And again we have this nice looking text animations that you can use here as well. So let's check this out. For example, create video, and you can just simply change the text, but for these other elements you don't have control on them. So yep, it's just more on changing the text and all that, but again you don't have that much control with the other elements of the video, which is still good. But I hope that they added some more controls for the customization of those solid layers and elements right there. So that's for motion text animator. And then we have the healthcare video effects, and yep, again it's just the same, but this is just more unrelated to health niche. So I don't have to show you how to use that because it works almost the same way. And then we have local video turbo, and again it's just the same thing. Yep. And then another one is the sales video builder, and again they just added some more types of videos here that you can create, but again the steps on how to create them are just pretty much the same. So finally we also have the image editor, which is actually a bonus. So let's try to upload an image from here. This one for example, click open, and let's see what we can do here. We can crop the image. There we go. Click crop, and it cropped the image, and I can zoom it, I can rotate. Let me just cancel that. I can resize. Let me again close that. I can add some round radius, just like what you can see there. I can also change the color of the canvas. So let's say in that, as you can see in that background, it's changing that color. I can click apply, and some other things. I can also add some texts. So this is just like Canva, if you're familiar with Canva, although it has lesser features. But if you just wanna do some basic editing for your images, you can use this app to do that. So here we go. I can add a text. I can just double click to change whatever text that I want to add. I can choose any font from here, click save. I can also do some drawings, so I can choose a paintbrush and do some drawings if I want. I can change the color like that, but let me just cancel for now. I can also add filters, so I can choose some of these filters right here. There we go, which is kind of nice as well. And then I can also add shapes like circles, rectangles, and I can choose the color from here. I can even add a gradient, this one for example. And yep, and then finally I can also add stickers, so I can add stickers to my image. So I can say this is cool photo editing or poster editing tool that you can use as well. which is a great bonus inside Video App Suite. So as you can see, those are what's included in this Video App Suite collection, which is a nice collection of awesome video creation app that you can use for creating videos that you may want to include in your primary video creation. And for primary video creation, I've been recommending Camtasia and also Create. But if you want to add some more types of videos, such as for your b-rolls or graphics, logo reveals, mock-ups, and all that, of course, this is a nice collection of secondary video creation tools that you can use as well. And I'm glad that they created this so that you don't have to buy multiple apps that you can use to create these other types of videos as well. So yep, I actually highly recommend the Video App Suite. I just mentioned a few things earlier that I hope they will improve, but overall, it's a great collection of video creation tool. So if you find this useful and you want to use it as well, just click the button that you can see below this video, and that will be my affiliate link. And as always, if you grab this one through my link, then I will give you awesome bonuses that you can see below. So yep, thanks a lot for watching my Video App Suite review, and I look forward to seeing you using this tool as well. Thanks a lot for watching. My name is Cham, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.